afternoon, family, friends, and new viewers. This is Colin, owner at Heaven Sky Drone Images. Today, the time of this recording is Saturday, July 30th, 2022. It's a beautiful day. It started out pretty, not rough, a little cold, but it did get to up until roughly, as you can see by me squinting, about 85 or 80. So today we're going to do a quick unboxing for you. We still got a lot of other stories that I'm editing. I wanted to do this unboxing because I'm going to be using it when I go away soon. But anyhow, today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a product called Arctic Air Freedom Personal Air Cooler. Basically, I bought it from Amazon. Where else are you going to get something like that? It's one of those things you put around your neck. It's supposed to blow cool air. I did see it at a baseball game. One of the ushers had it. I said, you know what? That might not be a bad thing. I've seen it around. As I, for the 20-something bucks, it was worth it giving it a shot. We're going to unbox it, try it, and I'm going to give you some feedback on if it works or not. Let's go to the unboxing. Well, welcome back. But I just wanted to, before I give you the unboxing, for those who aren't familiar with my channel, I know I got a lot of new viewers and subscribers, and I thank you for that. So please spread the love and the word. Send some vibes this way, so maybe we can do some live feed eventually. I know you have to have more subscribers than it is, but I'm trying to get to 100. But I would love to do some live feeds. But anyhow, this channel is about first impressions. It's about family orientated, where we keep it clean, we keep it positive. If you want to go negative, okay, everybody does. Do that on Facebook or whatever, or MySpace if you still want it. But here, we're going to keep it positive. I'm going to, do some unboxings, because a lot of stuff that I buy, you might want to buy, and you'll see some stuff, but I don't give you in depth on how it works. It's like, okay, here it is, this is that, and that's it, or whatever. Then you got to look at multiple videos. I give you first impressions, unscripted. I'll tell you the truth like it is. Again, this is my opinion. Don't let it inhibit your discretion on you buying the product. But if you want to buy something, that's fine. But if there's other things you like me to do, got some travel coming up soon, you want me to do this, let's get the comments going. It's okay. Don't be bashful, don't be shy. Ask me why. But anyhow, back to what we originally planned here. Little B. I have the box. I'm hoping it's the product that came in. Obviously it is, because you'll have batteries. It's the same type of box that my head camera came in that I'm doing a video on. I wave to anybody who beeps. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up. My trusty screwdriver. People won't use a razor blade. Well. Oh, okay, it is. And this is what it looks inside. So it's very colorful. We'll put this here. That's for recyclable, or maybe for you to use. It's a wearable personal air cooler. Arctic Air Freedom. Stay cool and comfortable anywhere. Personal air cooler. Flexible neck band for a custom fit. The cooling vents around here. I'm reading the same thing on the back, which is the front. USB charge port here. Okay. 3-speed control, low, medium, high. Tangle-free air intake. You can use it outdoors for exercises and, over here, gardening if you love gardening. I don't garden. I got the hands of death when it comes to gardening, so it doesn't last. Runs up to 6 hours per charge. And here, selling #1 air cooler. So, it's roughly maybe a foot this way, 10 inches this way, maybe 2.5 inches that way. So let's unbox this bad boy. Of course, it's always by tape. So we're just going to just give it a little open up here without, that's, you know, it's either stab yourself or cut yourself. I'll go with the stabbing. So anyhow, I got my camera assistant come over here now. At the box here.
Yep.
Okay. We open it up. Oh, ow. It's in a plastic. Be careful of the edges. Very, very sharp. So we have to take a step back a little bit. Can you get it all? Okay. I don't want it to be too crowded. So you open it up. Nothing in here. Okay. Here is the direction pack, Scotch tape. Here is the product. Woo! Here's the USB cord. Stick your finger in here, yank it out. So obviously it's got some here, cover protective here. We're gonna charge it up and then let's see, hopefully it fits my neck. Wow! Yeah, I don't know about this, but anyhow. Oh, maybe you can open it. I'm gonna read the directions before I start yanking and pulling and prodding. I don't want to pull it off and then send it back. Oh, what happened to the product? Oh, it was broken upon arrival. Click. But anyhow, let's charge this bad boy up. Let me read the directions. Let me see how big it is. And then, you know, do I have to squint? Do I have to photocopy it to make it bigger, take a picture? I don't know. I will let you know that. So the first thing we're going to do is charge it up. And then I will return in a few moments. So let's go do that. All right, folks, welcome back. We let it charge roughly, oh my God, I let it charge for about an hour and a half. When you first get this in the box, you get no charge at all. So I would have videotaped it, but I'm lucky I could see it in the dark. I doubt you would see it, but I'm going to show you anyhow. The cord it comes with is a regular telephone cord. You know, like if you have a Samsung phone, same outlet. C charger. Thank you from the camera guy. I forgot what it was. It's about a 2-foot cord, typical charge cord. So again, with the directions, 20% off your next purchase. Thank you for choosing Arctic Air Freedom. Please tell us what you think, and you'll get a 20% off, which we'll see if we're going to buy another one. So directions, oh my God, simple. Some of you college boys out there from a lot of the video cameras that I've done that make it impossible to read, take note on Arctic Air. It's a plain, basic, simple direction, easy to see. Lots of pictures, especially for people who love pictures. And us guys, we love pictures. So it says, congratulations on your air freedom, blah, blah, blah. You have a support line. Call us at 1-888-970-9485. All right, so what it is, you got a flexible neck, air vents, power off button, charge port. Put it in USB, put it in this. Now the part I couldn't show you was the blinking blue. It's like a light blue, almost lighter than the sky blue. Here, with the power button, you literally have to do one of these to take a look. It'll go, it's slow, but when you get that steady blue, then it's powered. And then you put it on your neck, hit the power button, and voila. Store it in a cool, dry place. So you know what, we're gonna give it a check. I'm just here reading some of the warnings here. Do not attempt to remove or replace the included battery. Do not place near open flames or fire sources. Do not expose Arctic Air Freedom to wet or damp areas. Use only in dry locations. Do not allow foreign objects inside the air. Freeze Freedom. Freedom is intended for household use only. So, in the pocket there. So I'm going to pull up the little protective covering. Little protective covering here. Put it in the pocket where everything else goes. And you moms know about putting things in pockets, especially if you have a mommy purse, you have kids, and you throw this in there, put that in there. Next thing you know, you're carrying around a 50-pound sack that you're going on a hike with. And then, all right, here we go. So now I have a big neck, and I did try it on. I didn't turn it on, so you're not going to get the first look. So I put it on the neck. First thing that comes to mind, it's almost like wearing a dog collar. It's kind of like it's choking me, not here, but it's like tight. It may loosen up over a period of time. I don't know, but it feels really, really awkward. I don't know, it might look awkward, but those 90 degrees days that we had over here in the East Coast a couple of weeks ago might have came in handy. Again, take a look for yourself. Here's the back. I'm styling, walking down the catwalk. I'm, tripping down. There we go. Yeah, chicks are digging it. So, here's the power button, or here's the airflow. So, let's see if this is all charged up. Let's give it a shot. All right. Okay. As you can hear, a dog is barking in the background, but that's not the Arctic air. The Arctic air sounds like when you were a kid, you would sit your ear next to a fan or try to talk to it to make that robot hand voice. I don't know. I don't even feel it. Is there I don't know. I'm not impressed. Is there another button? Oh, okay. I hit it again. That's middle speed. See, the directions I didn't see had its speed, so let's hit it again. Oh, now it sounds like a jet plane ready for takeoff. That's 3 clicks. And I still don't feel jack. How about one more? Okay, 1 clicks it off. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm feeling it. It's hard to tell. Guys, I don't feel anything. I don't. It sounds really, really loud. I thought it would spit up like a mist. Do I have it backwards? No. I'm just going to sit here with a dumb look on my face thinking I spent $25 on buying this thing. Yeah, guess what else is going back? Sorry, Amazon.
Do we want a second opinion?
Yeah, I'm going to let you try it. Hold on.
I do feel the air coming up from it.
A very little bit.
Hold on. Now I feel a little bit more air. It'd be good for one of those max speed if it fits all the way around your neck like this. You can genuinely feel. It's not cool yet, but it would definitely be refreshing on like some sort of day that's like 80 degrees, 90 degrees.
Yeah, would you keep it?
I personally would keep it just for, especially since I work in a hot kitchen.
You want to buy it for $99.99?
Nah, not that much.
Okay, well, there goes the middleman thing. So, but yeah, for me, it wasn't the best. So let's.
I mean, I do believe it would just circulate the cool air that's already in the atmosphere.
Yeah. It's for me, it's going to be a bust. So, folks, I'm going to give it, for me, 4 drones down. It's going back. Unless he wants to buy it for $99.99, this is a young entrepreneur coming up. But he likes it. I don't. To me, I guess maybe because I have a thick neck. I don't know. But, just so you know, you guys might know this little hack. If you're looking to buy pants, if you're going into a thrift store, if you got $20 in your pocket, or if you're at a Kohl's or a Target, if you can't try your pants on in the changing room, just take it, wrap the waistline around your neck. If the pants touch, they fit. If they don't touch, you got a bigger waist. If they touch way too much, you got a smaller waist. That's just a little tidbit that I've learned over the years, and you probably see it out there. But anyhow, folks, sorry to say, but womp, womp, womp. Yeah, no, that's no, sorry. But anyhow, listen, this is the end of the video. I told you it's going to be a short one. I had fun doing it. It was interesting. You know, I charge it for about an hour and a half on my electricity bill. So there goes that money, you know, with electricity going up. But anyhow, it's all fun and games. But folks, thank you for enjoying this. I appreciate it. Again, check out some of my earlier videos. I have some unboxings. Oh, I got a bug. Oh, get off. Ah! But anyhow, again, thank you for watching. If you like the content, if you like the video content, if you don't like the content, again, keep it nice, keep it clean. As you can see some of my other content, nobody's writing. I guess nobody has anything nice to say. Guys, write something nice. I don't care what it is. Just let us know you're out there. You know, we all went through a rough time these last 2 years. Let's start writing something positive, you know? So let's start giving back. It's a different world now. So we either make it enjoyable to live, or we're going to live miserable through the rest of our lives. But anyhow, folks, God bless. Have a great day. Remember, if you like it, give it a hit that like button. Please subscribe. Let other people know we're here. Hit that bell for future notifications. My assistant isn't here right now. She's inside doing some stuff. But anyhow, guys, have a good night. Family, we'll see you in the next video. And God bless. After note. So I've tried it on some other people. Here's what we figured out. If you got a thick neck like me, it's not going to work. Because what happens is the air intakes here and it puts in here. So if you're in a cooler room, it's going to blow colder air. You're in a hotter room, it's going to blow hotter air. So all it does is just circulate the air intake here, and it just comes out. So, you know, if you're outdoors and you think it's going to be like a mist or it's going to be like a little mini air conditioning unit, yeah, no, boy, that's, you know, what it's not like. So if you have a skinny neck, it's great. If you have a bigger neck, it ain't going to work out. God bless.